Looking to boost your Razor MX electric motorcycle's performance and comfort? This foot peg kit is designed to give you exactly that. Engineered specifically for Razor MX125 through MX650 models, it combines strength, durability, and versatility into one easy-to-install package. What sets this kit apart is its smart design. It mounts directly to your bike's foot pegs, ensuring maximum strength where it counts. The adjustable setup means you can fine-tune it based on the terrain or your riding skill. Whether you're cruising on smooth sidewalks or tackling rough trails, these pegs help you corner better and absorb shocks, making every ride more controlled and comfortable. The kit's engineering goes deeper. It accounts for wheel spacing tolerance on the axle, which means sharper turns without compromising stability. Plus, it's designed and engineered right here in the USA, with some components proudly made domestically. That quality shines through in user reviews, with riders appreciating the solid build and performance. Installing the kit is straightforward, though the instructions are a bit generic since they cover multiple models. You might find extra bolts or need to experiment with torque settings. After some trial and error, 20 Nm seems to be the sweet spot for securing the pegs firmly without risking damage. The U-shaped bar design allows a slight forward bias, helping the pegs stay put even during aggressive rides. One parent shared how their 6-year-old took off with confidence after the upgrade. Despite initial rotation issues on the first run, tightening to the right torque kept the pegs stable, even with a bigger rider. That kind of durability and adaptability makes this kit a smart choice for families and individual riders alike. If you want to improve your Razor MX electric motorcycle's handling and rider comfort, this foot peg kit is worth a look. It's a practical upgrade that delivers noticeable changes in control and ride quality. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference firsthand.